What are some common mistakes when investing in probate real estate? Number one, pulling title. This is one of the most important things in a probate real estate deal, really any deal for that matter, but especially with probate, because with probate deals, there's a lot of issues that are always popping up on title. Maybe back taxes, mortgages, other liens that are attaching to the property. Anything that's attaching to that property is going to come up in the title commitment title search. So one of the mistakes a lot of people don't realize when getting into these is not pulling that ahead of time. If you pull that ahead of time, you're going to find out stuff. Also, analyzing the spread and the money in the deal. A lot of times with probates, you'll find land deals, and land deals, they're really tight with their margins. And with probate, it's going to cost and going to be a little expensive. So you have to factor in the numbers on the deal. And a lot of investors, what they don't focus on is the money. Does the money make sense in that probate real estate deal? Sometimes it's not just land, it's a house, and there's not one probate, there's 4 probates. You have to run the numbers, and a lot of people don't do that. The other thing too is doing due diligence on that property. For example, sometimes there's a great piece of property, maybe the house is on it and there's a big lot, but then they find out that there's wetlands or it's zoned a certain way, and then they can't find a buyer for the property. Making sure all those due diligence efforts are made in advance is another mistake some people don't find. It's another mistake people make. So what'll happen is everybody's focused on probate, but then what happens is the probate's done, but then they're not focused on the other things like the environmental issues, the title issues, other things that are popping up. So focus on the simple things that you would focus in on any deal. It just has a probate involved. Now you know a couple mistakes people make on these probate real estate deals.